guys, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Kaylee.
And I'm Kadisha, and today we're going to be making homemade
squishies.
squishies. All you need is pretty simple. It's only
Your own balloons of any type
and
your own moisturizing cream.
And first of all, you get your
Balloon.
whatever colour balloon or whatever type of balloon. You
Stretch
stick it. You stretch the top and you stick it on here,
and you just press it down
and keep pumping
until you're happy.
And we will be back in 3, 2, 1. And we're back. And
So,
now, once you have your choice of whatever type, we will be tying it up.
Okay. So let's just put it. It's
There's
leaking.
moisturizer. There's moisturizer everywhere. This is kind of hard.
Yes.
Oh.
Especially when you get it sprayed everywhere. Ugh.
Did you tie yours up?
No. Ow.
This is really tricky, guys. So
We'll be back.
we'll be back.
Bye.
Bye.
And
we're back with our homemade squishies.
They're really good. And it's completely optional if you would like to draw a face. You
But
can
mine's
add
black,
colour.
so I'm not gonna. But they're pretty fun to play with. If you wanted a squishy, you can just always make one at home. But you should always ask your parents first to use a moisturizer.
Yes. So yeah, and we're gonna end the video.
And that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching our video.
And yeah,
Thank you.
peace.
Bye.